In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print, add, and organize your attachments in QuickBooks. First, let's kick things off by opening up QuickBooks. You can do this by heading over to the QuickBooks homepage. Once you arrive on the homepage, find the gear icon. This is your Settings button, which will be located in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open up a range of options for managing your QuickBooks account. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the option labeled All Lists and give it a click. This will direct you to a page where you can access a variety of management lists. Here, locate Attachments. By clicking on this, you'll be taken to a dedicated page where you can easily manage all of your file attachments associated with your QuickBooks account. Once you're on the Attachments page, you'll notice an option labeled Print. Click on it to print any attachments you need hard copies of. This feature is particularly useful if you need physical documentation for things like tax records or invoices. Plus, it helps to keep track of your records in both digital and physical formats. Now, let's talk about how to add new attachments to your QuickBooks account. Head back to the Attachments page if you've navigated away. Here you'll see another gear icon, which is also for settings but specifically for your attachments management. Click on it to unlock additional features for better organization of your files. Look to the top right of your screen, and you should see a button that says Add Attachment. By clicking this, you'll be prompted to select the file you wish to add from your device. This is particularly useful for keeping all your documents organized in one place, allowing easy access when needed. Whether it's receipts, contracts, or invoices, you can upload and store these documents efficiently. By following these steps, you can not only print and add new attachments to QuickBooks, but also ensure that your documents are well organized and readily available when you need them. This process is designed to be intuitive, allowing you to spend less time managing paperwork and more time focusing on other aspects of your business. I hope you found this guide useful, and thank you for tuning in to our QuickBooks tutorial.